Squarespace's email marketing tools are getting so much better, and I personally use it for all my different sites. One site I'm going to show you today is Six Figure Design Club, which is where I teach other Squarespace designers essentially how to make more money. Now, one thing that I've recently started doing is building like lead magnets for lots of different YouTube videos that I do over on my second channel, which is like the coaching channel. And what I needed to do was create separate mailing lists for separate lead magnets. So someone would sign up, and I wanted to send them the PDF or the template or whatever it was. But to do that, I had to have them in a special, not a special, but a certain mailing list. So what I'm going to do is show you what I did and show you how to create a simple mailing list on your Squarespace website. So you join me here on Six Figure Design Club, which I need to do a video about because this, like, we built the most unreal site here. Like, if you're looking at Squarespace landing pages and funnels, like, I don't think it gets any better, to be honest. But anyway, what you want to do is go into marketing. Actually, you don't. You go into contacts, and then within contacts, once it loads, you go lists and segments, and then you can see all the different like default values. So you've got subscribers, new subscribers, all the way down to, I think, form submitters. Yeah, and because you can see smart segments here. Then you start the mailing list. So I have a few that I've started setting up. You've got module 1 for free. So these are people who have gone through the mailing list to get my first module of the course for free, if the title didn't give it away. Then there's a homepage perfection workbook, so basically how to build better homepages, and then preseason, which I have a YouTube video on. And then I just started this mailing list, which is the $25,000 website blueprint download. So is what it says on the tin, teaches people how to make $25,000 per website. Now, to create a mailing list, and I'll do a separate video on how to connect like the mailing list to the lead magnet. I'll do a separate video on that because it requires a little bit more intricacy. But to create the mailing list, all you need to do is click create mailing list, give it a name. So I'll just say example, maybe say lead magnet, and then hit save. That is then set up like immediately. To get people onto this mailing list, you're going to need a newsletter block. And again, I'm going to create a separate video on that. But if you have a mailing list, let's say that you want to import onto your site, then this is where you do it. So you'd create the mailing list, give it a name, and then you can import subscribers. So you can add subscribers via an SCV, a CSV file, or you can add someone manually. So if I wanted to add someone manually, I'd just pop their email in, first name, last name, and then do the accept marketing. So I'll just add me in for now. And then done. And you can see total subscribers. I wonder if I refresh, it will show. There we go. So you'll see the person's email, name, subscriber since, what was the source, and do the accept marketing. Now you will see a ton more people once you actually connect up a newsletter block. But for now, that is as simple as it gets. So that's how you set up the mailing list and get it ready for people to actually come onto it. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website and set up your mailing lists, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.